Back in August, my son and I were on a father-son trip vacation to Vancouver. We were flying my DJI Mini 2 around the Vancouver harbor when a bird decided to attack it. Right there. I have no idea what type of bird that is. It was definitely not happy. It kept coming back, including right there where it actually hit the drone, and I started to frantically try to get it away, including almost crashing into the Canada Place tent things. It was very persistent, but we did get it back with no issues with the